This exam application tutorial looks at the topic of car safety. The question for 4 marks: explain how a crumple zone lowers the risk of damage to the driver during a collision. So firstly, what is a crumple zone? And then how does a crumple zone affect the equation resultant force equals change in momentum over time? Sometimes in physics exams you have to explain mathematical equations, but using words, which can be a bit tricky. So firstly, and you could explain this in a few ways, but my way is a crumple zone is designed to compress on impact. That means squash in on impact. So it's a deliberate weak area of the car which will crumple. So what this does is it spreads the change in momentum, so going from, let's say, 60 kilogram meters per second to 0, because when you crash, your momentum becomes 0 because you have no velocity. But it spreads it over a great amount of time because you don't stop immediately, you start to decelerate very quickly as the crumple zone squashes in. So effectively, a crumple zone increases the amount of time over which slowing down occurs. And this will decrease the resultant force on the driver, so this value as a result will go down. That makes sense. If you're dividing this value by a bigger number, then this is going to be smaller. For example, 10 divided by 5 equals 2, but 10 divided by 10 equals 1.